In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history from Amazon app. Here's the key thing to know up front. Amazon doesn't let you permanently delete orders, but you can hide them from your default order history by archiving. That's the official method Amazon provides, and it works well if you're trying to tidy up your history or keep certain purchases out of view. Start by opening a web browser and going to Amazon.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, hover over or tap Accounts and Lists at the top of the page and choose your orders. This is where all your purchases are listed. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see the most recent orders first. Next, find the order you want to hide. When you've located it, look for the option labeled Archive Order. Click that and confirm if you're prompted. Once archived, that order is removed from your default order history view, which means it won't show up in the main list most people check. Keep in mind, archiving does not delete the order from your account entirely. The order still exists, and you can view archived orders anytime if you need to reference a receipt or track details later. If you're working on a computer, there's a helpful desktop-only approach for cleaning up a lot of purchases quickly. In your orders, use the time filters, such as past 3 months or a specific year like 2025. Narrowing the list makes it much faster to scan through and archive the orders you don't want to see in your default view. Repeat this filter and archive process for each time period you want to clean up. Amazon currently allows you to archive up to 500 orders, which is usually plenty for organizing years of purchases. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Archiving is about privacy and organization. It hides orders from the main list, but it doesn't remove them from your account or your emails. If you need to reference something later, you can, so there's no risk of losing information. For many users, this is the best way to keep a clean history without losing access to important details. Also, the archiving feature works most reliably on the desktop website. If you're on the Amazon app, you may be redirected to the mobile site to complete the archive action. That's it. Sign in on Amazon.com, go to your orders, find the purchase you want to hide, and choose Archive Order.